Good afternoon, everyone. This is Brian Weber. This is just a technical update for our morning analysis video for the euro dollar that we posted up today. So, overall, the euro has been pretty uh, lazy. There's not been much follow through. We have had a couple of setups that I've marked off on the chart based on the morning analysis. So if you guys have watched the video, you know that our zone this morning was the 130.88 up towards that 130.100 and as high as the 31.07 zone. So really this whole yellow area was our buy and sell zone. And again, if you watch the morning video, um, what I was saying was that if you got to move back into this zone, I made the video around about when price was trading roughly about this zone up here. So what I was saying was when price moved into the zone and we got a buy signal, we could then go long and try to target the 131.40 up to the 131.50, and if those levels gave way, we would be able to target the 131.72, 131.80 resistance band. We did have the buy signal today. We had the bullish divergence, the stochastic putting in the higher lows when price was putting in the lower lows, and we also had the pin bar here giving price action confirmation that price was ready to move up right at our support point. So yeah, we did go along here, and price moved up about 20 pips before finding resistance on that 50-period moving average right there. And you can see that price had made its way below that 200-period moving average, which is a red line. So overall, the market was looking a little bit bearish here, but we were actually looking for at least another retest of this higher resistance up here to 131.40 before the market turned or continued on with the uptrend. Okay, but as price pushed up here, it found resistance at the 50-period moving average, which had just recently crossed over the 200-period moving average here. Because of that, we just saw a few slowdown candles, and then this big candle which moved down and breached today's low at that point as well. Um, Now again, we got out of this trade of about 5 pips profit, absolutely nothing spectacular, and that was just due to the trailing stop. Once we move about 15 to 20 pips in profit, we always move the stop loss up about 3 to 5 pips just above the entry price, and that's just basically to cover cost and time. Okay, so we only made the absolute minimum on this trade, which was 5 pips on this buy trade. There was absolutely no momentum to carry this trade any higher. A lot of that is due because there's no major economic news events due today for Europe or the U.S. It's a pretty quiet day on the economic calendar, and so there's not much order flow sitting in the market today. Okay, so the little uptrend signal that we got did produce a 20 pip trade, but you're not going to catch the full 20 pips, so we only managed to catch about 5 pips of that original move there. Okay, so the second setup, and based on my analysis this morning as well, was the sell trade. Again, just going to draw in the significant area here on our chart. On the sell trade, based on my analysis, I was saying that if you got a breakout of this 130.88, then we should look for the pullback to the 130.88 or back within our significant area. Okay, and you guys can see here we did break out of the 130.88, and we did get the pullback with the sell signal to go short in the market. But again, there's not much follow through in the market here, and once again we've all been stopped out for about 5 pips profit on the trade after moving our stop just above the break even. Okay, so we moved about 15 or so pips. We move our stop loss down, yeah, about 3 or 5 pips just past the break even, the entry point. You can see here we had a sharp reversal. We've been stopped out with those 5 pips. So between our buy trade and our sell trade, we've only made about 10 pips profit today, which is not spectacular, but what can you do when the market has no drive, has no momentum to kickstart and keep going in a particular direction for a period of time? But yeah, we did get that sell signal this morning here. So again, just draw this level in. Here is our breakout candle. This huge candle was the actual breakout, and here is the little pullback here, back to our 130.88, and back actually within the zone as well. We got a nice little rejection candle here, nice little rejection spike. And at that point there, the stochastic was actually breaking this little trend line that was giving us our bullish divergence for our first buy trade today. So with that little rejection spike there and the stochastic breaking the trend line, that was our entry short right there on that candle. I just draw that in. Okay, so we got short right about there, that close. Price did move down. It was looking good at one point, but as you guys can see here, it just reversed back and stopped us out for just a few pips profit. Nothing spectacular on that trade. But again, there's just no commitment in the market today because there's no major economic events happening to cause traders to place order flow within the market and really carry on any trends either down or up. So pretty much just about 10 pips profit today over two trades. Again, it's pretty poor, but the market is being pretty poor for the euro dollar. There's been other opportunities on other pairs that we have traded. But as far as the euro dollar goes, based on our analysis this morning, it's been pretty slow day. We're pretty much just going to stand aside from the euro dollar for the rest of the day and return tomorrow. So I hope you guys made some money today, and I will catch you tomorrow morning.